Hello guys, tingnan nyo guys. Overlooking guys. Yo, swimming pool guys. Hindi kayo maligo dito guys. Ayan o, malalim o. Malalim guys. Yan no, overlooking guys. Ayan yan. Tingnan nyo guys. So, ganda. Cebu yan guys ha. Makikita mo Cebu yan, Cebu. Yan guys. May ito pang matanda to. Sa kabila guys, maliit lang yung swimming pool pang para sa mga bata. So. Kinain na ng manok guys. Kain. So yan guys, please share and follow. Comment kayo guys kung nakapunta na kayo dito guys. Ayan guys, ayan. Yeah. Bye bye. Ligo-ligo na guys.